The world is changing fast, and 2025 is opening new doors for anyone ready to take the leap. As traditional jobs feel less secure, smart entrepreneurs are turning toward low-investment, high-potential ideas. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 or start a side hustle, now is the time to act. So here are 7 business ideas to get you started in 2025. Number 1, AI content services. AI is booming and businesses are struggling to keep up. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, companies across all industries need people who can prompt, write, and produce content using AI. You don't need to code, just know how to guide the machine. From writing blog posts to automating customer service chats, this space is growing faster than most can keep up. Number 2, selling digital products. This business model has exploded in recent years and shows no signs of slowing down. Think PDFs, templates, Notion dashboards, or even downloadable planners. You create once and sell forever with no inventory or shipping costs. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip make setup easy and global reach possible. This is a perfect digital side hustle. Number 3, niche subscription boxes. From beauty to wellness to snacks, people love curated monthly surprises. A well-crafted niche subscription box can tap into recurring revenue. Once you build a small but loyal customer base, the branding and fulfillment becomes a steady income stream. It's all about finding the right niche and delivering consistently. Number 4, local experience tours. As travel rebounds, especially among younger generations, local experience tours are seeing a boom. Airbnb experiences, Get Your Guide, and even TikTok are fueling this micro-tourism trend. If you know hidden gems in your city or have a passion for storytelling, turn that into a paid experience. No office, no boss, just good stories and connections. Number 5, remote recruitment and HR services. With the rise of remote work, companies, both startups and global giants, need help finding reliable talent. With just LinkedIn and a few good systems, you can build a small recruiting agency helping others hire the right talent from the comfort of your laptop. Number 6, TikTok UGC. User-generated content is a secret gold mine on TikTok. Brands now pay everyday people to make relatable, raw videos about their products. You don't need to go viral or even show your face. Just good lighting, storytelling, and delivery can land you consistent deals. As TikTok's influence grows, so will the opportunities to make money as a content creator. And number 7, recycled fashion upcycling. From thrift flipping to reworking vintage pieces or customizing old clothes, the recycled fashion trend is booming. Gen Z loves sustainability, and platforms like Instagram and Depop are perfect places to start small and scale big. Turn your passion for fashion and sustainability into a profitable side hustle. If 2024 was the warm-up, 2025 is the main event. These business ideas are not just trends, they're growing solutions in a world that's shifting fast. Choose your lane, start small, and stay consistent. The future belongs to those who build it. And if you're serious about building something real in 2025, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fresh, practical business ideas each week. Your next big move could start right here.